Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking budget vitamin C's. For years, we've been told, almost conditioned, that when it comes to a vitamin C serum, you need to pay more in order to get more. People will say reach for the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic, despite its £140 price point, because that's the only product that's got guaranteed returns in a stable formulation that won't oxidize. In truth, there are so many amazing drugstore vitamin C serums. You do have to be a little bit selective because one of the best selling on the market is this, the Garnier Vitamin C Anti-Dark Spot Serum. This utter garbage, and I captured why in a recent video which I'll link up there. But there are some good guys in the vitamin C world available at the drugstore and on a budget, and I want to celebrate them in today's video. So if you're looking to cut the cost of your glow game, this is definitely one to watch. Sit back, relax, let's talk budget vitamin C's. Now, before we get into this video, I would love to know, what is your vitamin C serum of choice? Sound off in the comments section below, and let's get that conversation going. I really do appreciate your guys' recommendations because they shape the products I try out and review here on the channel in the future. Based on your guys' feedback, throughout this video, I'm actually going to be including images of the products that I talk about rather than just holding them up. Lots of you guys have said this could actually be beneficial in terms of capturing the name and the title of any of the products mentioned. If you find this useful and want to see this carried forward into other videos that I film, let me know by reaching down and giving this video a thumbs up and a like. I always want to create content that's as easy for you guys to understand and engage with as possible, so this is a really great way of letting me know. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. Vitamin C can actually be delivered in your skincare routine in many different forms. Previously, I think we all just gravitated towards a serum, thinking that's the only effective way of getting that dose of glow-enhancing vitamin C. Whilst I think a leave-on treatment like a serum is probably going to be the most efficacious when it comes to helping you reach your skin goals, there are so many other options too. In the cleanser category, the one that I always recommend is this. This is the Revolution Skin Vitamin C Cream Cleanser. Now, you're not going to get the same results in terms of glow up with a cleanser, a wash-off treatment than you will with, say, a serum. But if you've got a very sensitive skin type that doesn't tolerate a high dose of vitamin C, a cleanser could be a great option. Or if you want to just get a little extra glow up and radiance in your life, use a vitamin C cleanser alongside your vitamin C serum, and at the margins, it will definitely boost the results. This is my personal favourite. It's creamy, it's luxurious, it feels bougie when you apply it to the skin, and it really does work. Have a little patience because I find, with this product, you need to use it in the long term to see those glow up results, but they definitely will come. I think I paid £6 for this product, which is so unbelievably affordable. And actually, forgetting the vitamin C, just as a cleanser in its own right, it's one of the best that I've ever found at that price point. Definitely gonna sing the praises of this at the drugstore. If you want to go for your vitamin C fix at the opposite end of your skincare routine, you could look for a vitamin C moisturizer. Again, I would say the same caveats apply with moisturizers with vitamin C as they do with cleansers. Often they're in a lower concentration, and often brands won't tell you what that exact strength is. So you have to be a little bit mindful and set your expectations with that. Again, a moisturizer can be a great way of getting a low dose vitamin C for those that are sensitive to the ingredient, or using it alongside your vitamin C serum to get a little luminosity boost. The one that I recommend all the time and love so much that I tried to match my colour of my top to it today is this. This is the Boots Vitamin C Brightening Moisturizer. So good. You've got a stable form of vitamin C in here. It really does help boost the glow and radiance of the skin if used in the long term. And I use this alongside my vitamin C serums with no increased sensitivity at all. It hydrates you to the gods. It's got a beautiful citrus scent to it, which I personally really like, particularly on a morning when it's quite uplifting, it's invigorating, and you definitely will get the glow up you want from this product. Best thing, £3. Let that sink in. You don't need to be overpaying for a vitamin C moisturizer when Boots can deliver this at that price point. Like I say, you could use that cleanser, you could use this moisturizer to pair alongside your vitamin C serum for just a little extra bang for your buck, and both of these at the drugstore at a really affordable price point. I've linked this, as I will the cleanser, and everything else mentioned in today's video in that description box below if you did want to check it out or you want some inspiration for your own routine. But yeah, this, just on that smell alone, on a morning is like the best way to pick you up, wake you up, and glow you up. Now, let's come on to the serum proper part of this video, which, like I keep saying, is probably where you're going to get the maximum benefit in terms of your vitamin C fix in your routine. I've got 5 amazing serums that I want to talk about now, but I've split them into 2 categories. The first 2 I'm going to talk about are the multi-active formulations. Vitamin C with a little something else. Great if you're looking to streamline your skincare routine down, achieve maximum outcomes with minimum number of products used. And then the 3 serums I'm going to finish with are the pure vitamin C serums. The ones that just are there to deliver that hit of vitamin C for that glow up and some antioxidant protection. The multi-active vitamin Cs I want to call out is this. This is the Bubble Daydream Serum. So this contains vitamin C, the core part of this video, but it's also got some tranexamic acid in here, some niacinamide, you've got some calming and soothing ingredients, some ceramides to boost the barrier function, some antioxidants. This again is like that 5 or 6 serum in one style product, which means that whilst it's slightly more expensive than some of the single active ingredient serums I'm coming on to, definitely worth it when you think of just how comprehensive a formulation you're actually getting. I love this. I love the colour, it picks you up, it definitely leaves behind some hydration in the skin and delivers all those amazing actives. This is one of the most comprehensive skincare products I think I've ever found. Now, these are the 3 recommended budget vitamin C serums that I want to call out in case you just want a real high potency, hyper effective standalone vitamin C serum in your routine. Yes, reaching for like a multi-active formulation like the ones I've called out are amazing, but if you're someone that wants to use your vitamin C in a more targeted way, maybe not every day, every other day might suit your skin better, or you want to do a bit of pinpoint work with it, that's where I think a standalone vitamin C serum can really come into its own. These 3 are affordable and so well formulated. Let's kick things off with the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow Serum. This actually featured in my favourite budget vitamin Cs of last year, carried forward into this year because it's still just as good as ever and market leading. A lot of people say the reason you should avoid budget vitamin Cs is they're not contained in the right packaging, or they're not stabilized in their formulation and they oxidize really quickly. That is the case with some budget vitamin Cs, but if you go for a product like the C Glow by Geek and Gorgeous, because this is made fresh every single week, kind of just for us, that means that you're going to get it at maximum efficacy. It's not sat around oxidizing, and so you can absolutely get a really fresh, hyper-potent vitamin C at an affordable price point. I would say once you open this, it probably lasts around 3 months before it starts to oxidize, so I definitely wouldn't stock up and buy in bulk. Buy one as and when you need it, and that way you're going to get it at maximum performance, and you don't have to overpay and reach for something like SkinCeuticals in order to get a serum that isn't oxidized on delivery. This has never steered me wrong, and I absolutely love it. Geek and Gorgeous is my favourite vitamin C if you're shopping from within the European Union or Europe more widely, because they have some really great options when it comes to free shipping limits and the turnaround time. They can get it to your door in literally like 2 days, which is almost unheard of. But if you're shopping from the North American market, Australasia, or somewhere else, it can be a little difficult to get your hands on Geek and Gorgeous. So a great alternative would be this, which is the ordinary ascorbic acid 8% plus alpha-arbutin 2%. This is the best vitamin C from the ordinary. They have, I think at last count, like 12 different vitamin Cs. Overwhelming, and actually none of them I think are as good as this one. The fact that this combines alpha-arbutin in a 2% concentration with that vitamin C means this is going to be a holy grail for anyone that's suffering with hyperpigmentation or acne scarring. These 2 powerful pigment correctors work in synergy together to dial up the results you're going to see without actually dialing up the side effects that you could get. Super gentle, mid-strength vitamin C, and because they sell so many units of this, again in keeping with that Geek and Gorgeous one, the turnover and manufacture of the products is so rapid that actually you get a really good shelf life with this one. Once opened, around 3 or 4 months before it starts to oxidize. And this, along with the Geek and Gorgeous one, proves that you don't need to overpay to avoid oxidized products. Just reach for one that you know is going to be made relatively fresh and not too far in advance of you purchasing it, and that way you'll get a really good shelf life. This one will probably last like 3 or 4 months before it starts to oxidize, more than enough time to get through a full bottle. But again, as I said with the Geek and Gorgeous one, I caution not to stock up, buy in bulk. Buy it as and when you need it to make sure you're getting at peak performance. Finally, we've got a relative newcomer that wasn't mentioned in last year's video, and it's this. This is the Indeed Labs Vitamin C 24. So this is probably the most expensive of the standalone vitamin C serums. I think I paid £19.99 for this versus £9 for the ordinary, £11 for the Geek and Gorgeous. So it's a little bit more pricey, but if you like your vitamin C in a fully stabilised form and in a dimethicone base, this is the one that I would recommend. If you've tried the ordinary vitamin C in silicone or the one in hyaluronic acid, it feels great on application, but it can ball up, it can peel, it can peel. That's not a great user experience. You don't get that problem with this one. The formulation is just that little bit better, that little bit more advanced, which means you're still getting that super smoothed out complexion from the dimethicone in here, but it's not going to ball up if you try to put, say, sunscreen on top of it. This is why I would always always pay a few pounds more to get this product versus the ordinary equivalent. It feels great on the skin, definitely like smooths the complexion out. And because of the way it's formulated, you don't get as much irritation as maybe you would expect to get from a 22% concentration of vitamin C. This is the highest potency of all the ones I'm mentioning today, but again, you don't get a lot of that sensitivity thanks to the way that it's formulated. Blends into the skin, feels absolutely gorgeous, and because it's stabilized, this will last you like a good 6 to 9 months before you see any oxidation. Great if you're not someone that uses your vitamin C every single day and you really do value that long shelf life. This is probably the product that I would recommend. A little bit more expensive than some of the other recommendations today, but worth every single penny. So there you have it, guys, a very whistle-stop tour of the best budget vitamin C's of 2023. I just want to get it out there loud and clear that the drugstore can absolutely be where it's at when it comes to vitamin C serums. Don't listen to those people that tell you have to pay more to get more. You just need to be a little selective. Make sure you reach for products that are offering something, you know, a little different. Maybe it's made fresh for you every single week, like the Geek and Gorgeous one. Maybe it's a really effective moisturizer like the Boots one that, okay, it doesn't have that high potency vitamin C, but if used in the long term will deliver you great results. Or maybe it's all about reaching for something that feels luxurious on the skin without charging a luxury and bougie price point like the Indeed Labs one. Let me know your thoughts on any of the products mentioned in the comment section below, and wherever you are in the world, guys. Stay safe, stay well, and glow to the gods. Take care. Bye.